third property of correlation coefficient. Two independent variables are uncorrelated, but the converse is not true. So let's prove this. Now correlation coefficients are uncorrelated. Let me write first formula for correlation coefficient. It is covariance of xy upon sigma x into sigma y. Okay. I am starting with covariance. Covariance of xy is summation of products of deviation, it is x minus x bar and y minus y bar upon total number of observations. Now if we simplify this can be written as xy minus xy bar minus x bar y plus x bar y bar divided by number of observations. So again this can be written as summation of xy minus summation of x y bar upon n minus summation of x bar y upon n plus summation of x bar y bar upon n. Now this is nothing but mean of xy, so we can write it as y bar minus summation of x upon n is nothing but x bar, and suppose I take summation of y bar upon n, let me write it here, summation of y bar upon n. So since y bar is a mean, keeping it aside, and this will be summation of 1 upon n, wherein n is going from 1 to n. So this is nothing but n upon n. So what we are getting is y bar. So this will be x bar y bar. Similarly for this is again going to be x bar and summation of y upon n is going to be y bar. Similarly x bar y bar and summation of 1 upon n, it will get cancelled. So what we have is this. So this two will get cancelled. What we are remaining with is xy bar minus x bar y bar. Okay. Now we have something called as a expectation. An expectation of a variable is nothing but its arithmetic mean. Now expectation of, I am writing it here, expectation is written denoted by using e, and expectation of x is nothing but its mean. So this can be written as expectation of xy, as this is mean of xy, and then expectation of x and expectation of y, as it is mean of x and mean of y. Now when two variables are independent, if two variables are independent, its expectations xy can be written as expectations of x into expectation of y. Okay? Only if variables are independent. Now in this case also variables are independent, these xy's are independent. So covariance of xy can be written as expectation of x into expectation of y. So I am writing this expectation of xy as expectation of x and expectation of y minus this term, that is expectation of x into expectation of y, which is nothing but a 0. Now if covariance is 0, correlation coefficient of xy, which is given as covariance of xy upon standard deviation of x into standard deviation of y, is going to be 0 upon sigma x sigma y, which is nothing but 0. So what we can conclude from here is, if two variables are independent, if x and y are independent, since they are independent, its covariance is 0, and since covariance is 0, what we can say is correlation coefficient is 0, or we can say they are uncorrelated. So we have proved that if two variables are independent, then they are uncorrelated or their covariance is equals to 0. Now about the converse part, the converse is not true. That is, if two variables are uncorrelated, we cannot say they are independent. So let's look at this example. Let's just calculate correlation coefficient for this. Now instead of let me write formula first. Correlation coefficient is given by covariance of xy upon sigma x into sigma y. Let's just check covariance first. Covariance of x comma y, I am using this. Okay, after simplification what we are getting is this, and these two will get cancelled. So remaining is summation of xy by n minus summation of x upon n into y bar. So what we have here is summation of xy upon n minus summation of x y bar upon n. Okay. Now summation of xy is nothing but 0. Again summation of x is also 0 and y bar is going to be 60 upon 8. But still this will be 0. So they are uncorrelated. Since covariance of xy is 0, covariance of variable xy is 0, correlation coefficient is also going to be 0. So they are uncorrelated. But look at this variable x and y. Now y can be written as x square. This 4 square is nothing but 16. Minus 3 square is 9. Minus 2 square is 4. Minus 1 square 1, and so on. Okay. So we can write this variables x and y as y equals to x square. Even though they are uncorrelated, we cannot say they are independent, as this y is dependent on x. So y is nothing but x square. So even though they are uncorrelated, they are still dependent on each other. That's why converse is not true. Now two independent variables will be always uncorrelated. If they are independent, they will be uncorrelated. But if they are uncorrelated, we cannot say they are independent of each other.